Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I was bored and decided to try out my new mold. This is from Hildy and Joe. I got this from Joann's for like $6. It was on sale from like $10. And I decided I wanted to see how they turned out. Yeah, oh cool, it's Hildy and Joe, so I guess it all matches up. The blue and the yellow, and I used pink for the pink one, but this is from Pigment. I don't know I think that's the name of the company. I'm not sure. And they decided to try out some tube confetti, like little itty bitty straws that got cut up to pieces. So let's see how they turned out. I like the holographic stuff. See how the blue one looks. And the pink. I think that's pretty cool. Let's try the gold. Yeah, this is so different from what I'm used to for crystals. It's got like an indent right there. I'm not sure if I actually really like that too much. I mean, they're okay, but I'm not quite sure what it's supposed to do. Well, at least I didn't have to worry about any bubbles. I like this. I'm gonna have to sand them down. It's not too bad though.